my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 1. And you guys, you know I love Vlogmas. I may not finish the whole month, but we're gonna work on it. This is like one of my favorite times to film. I love Christmas. This is my season. It's also my birthday month. So we're gonna be doing some fun stuff. Today, we have started very late because my goal is to try to do one recipe per video for Vlogmas. Maybe it'll be every other day, but there's gonna be a lot of recipes, but it's gonna be one recipe a day. So we're gonna start off the vlogs with a cooking recipe video, and then you're gonna be able to see kind of what we do throughout the day, if we do anything fun. Like for example, today, we are going to go to either a park or a neighborhood where you can drive around and see the lights. There's like this huge neighborhood. We actually went last year and it was a lot of fun because today I accidentally stubbed my toenail and it completely ripped off, you guys. So not the best way to start Vlogmas, but it's okay. We're gonna power through. And I'm still debating whether we should go to a park with Christmas lights or do the drive-thru. Right now, the baby is eating and we are getting ready to head on out. For lunch today, I really wanted to do something quick and easy because we were trying to just rush out the door. So I'm gonna be doing this spaghetti with ground beef. It's very, very simple because all you need is half an onion, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, ketchup, and to season, you're going to add some garlic salt, and pepper. And that is it. You're gonna cook first the ground beef. With my cookware, I can cook from frozen to finish, but if you wanna thaw out your ground beef, definitely do that. And then you're going to use a food processor to puree the onion and cherry tomato. This puree is going to act like the sauce. This specific dish does not have any canned tomato. It doesn't have any pasta sauce. This is the sauce. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this puree. And if you have garlic, I would also add garlic because the garlic gives it a really delicious flavor. But since I ran out, I didn't add it. And you're going to place it on top of that meat, season it with the garlic salt and pepper, and cover it and let it cook. For my pasta, I'm going to use whole wheat pasta. I completely eliminated the flour, normal, traditional pasta just because I find that the whole wheat is much healthier. It doesn't bloat my stomach as much as your traditional pasta. And I like to just scoop out my pasta and place it in the bowl so that I don't have to dirty a strainer. Yes, I know I am lazy, but it's one less thing to wash, so thank me later. Just use some sort of scooper upper for pasta and it is going to save so much time. When it comes to the cleaning department, I also recommend this meat masher. You can get it on Amazon, Target, Walmart. It really just mashes that meat so tiny that it is so enjoyable to eat when you pour it on top of your pasta. Once I see that the meat is almost done, that's when I go ahead and add the ketchup. Ketchup is going to give it a nice sweet flavor. And to top off this pasta, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Now, one thing that I would normally add as well to this is some shredded carrots. I didn't have any. We were running low on our groceries because we're going on a trip. So I don't really want to buy a whole bunch of stuff because things will start to go bad. But normally I would also add some shredded carrots and it just tastes divine. The kids don't even notice it and it's healthy. But this is at the end of this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Buen provecho, bon appetit!
watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
We made it back to the house. The kids are eating dinner. It's the simplest dinner. We had leftover pasta with ground beef, and then I gave them a toast with a little bit of avocado because this mama's tired and I am not going to cook a whole meal. Plus we eat the hot dogs and popcorn there, so there's that. After they're done with that, we are gonna do a bath time. Oh, hi! Yeah. So next is gonna be bath time. Once we're done with bath time, we are going to do a little bit of editing, and yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit once we're done. All right, the kids are in bed, and we are going to start cleaning up the kitchen because it always is a mess. But I kind of wanted to sit down and just talk to you guys a little bit about my plans this month and kind of an update on life. I feel like I haven't really sat down and like had a proper conversation with you guys. I've been creating a lot of content. A lot of it is cooking and cleaning based, but Vlogmas has always been my sweet spot. As long as I've had this channel, it's been years and years. I think like 12 years, something like that. I have always done Vlogmas. Now this year, I really debated whether or not I should do Vlogmas because I have 3 little ones, and let's get real, life can get pretty chaotic. So I kind of wanted to do it because it brings me joy, to be honest. December is one of my favorite months of the year. I absolutely love it. It's filled with magic for me, and it is my birthday month as well. So for me not to do Vlogmas, it would be kind of weird. So I am going to do it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing it every day. I'm not gonna do that hardcore pressure, just because reality is sometimes I might not do anything interesting, and sometimes I just might not have a lot of time to edit, because by the end of the day, my husband and I are exhausted. We have to clean and just do it all over the next day. It might not be your like traditional Vlogmas, film every day kind of thing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna pick up the camera when I feel like it, and I also want to incorporate a lot of recipes. I probably will do every other day a recipe, or maybe like days where I know I'm just not gonna have a ton of fun, like nothing interesting, I'll do like more cooking that day to share with you guys. I think that's the plan for this month's Vlogmas. We do have an exciting trip coming up. That's another reason I think I just won't be able to do Vlogmas every day, because we're going to Chicago. It's the first time that we're taking all 3 kids at the same time. We're going with the grandparents, so it should be interesting, but nonetheless, it's gonna be chaotic because we have never done this before. So that's something that we are looking forward to. I may do everyday vlogs and edit on my phone. Who knows? We'll kind of play it by ear. And also, one thing that we will be doing as well is visiting a lot of Christmas activities. So we went today to that park, which was really cool. It was free. You didn't have to pay to get in, which was really nice. And some of the other things that we are definitely going to be doing are Busch Gardens, Disney, of course, because I cannot not do Disney. And yeah, so we're going to just figure out kind of what to do in the evenings with the kids. This completes this video. I just kind of wanted to sit down and do a little chit chat, inform you guys of what my plan for Vlogmas is, and just, you know, take it day by day because life is very different now with 3 kids. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.